In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto emojis on Discord Mobile. Sometimes, when you type certain emoticons, they change into emojis automatically. This can be frustrating if you prefer using the original text symbols instead of the colorful graphics. Luckily, there is a simple way to stop this from happening. To get started, locate and open the Discord mobile app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the arrow icon, located at the top left corner of your screen. Next, tap on the U button, found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look for a gear icon, located at the top right corner of your profile page. Tapping this will open up your settings menu. On this settings page, scroll down until you find an option labeled Chat. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. In this section, keep scrolling until you see an option that reads, Automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emojis. This setting controls whether or not Discord turns text-based emoticons into emojis automatically. To turn off auto emojis on Discord Mobile, simply toggle off the switch next to it. Once you do this, emoticons will no longer be converted into emojis automatically when sending messages. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.